Welcome to Leader IS in association with Yashas Institute. Myself, Professor Suhas Sargar. Today, in this video audiobooks lesson, we all going to learn and understand State Board of Maharashtra Standard 10th Subject History and Political Science Medium English Chapter number 7 Sports and History. In these chapters, what we going to learn: importance of sport, types of sport, globalization of sport, game materials and toys, the toys and history, sports, literature and movies, sports and professional opportunities, etc. So begin. Sports, the combined entertainment and physical exercise. To play is a natural human instinct. Hence, the history of the sport begins with the origin of mankind. Various games have been played since the beginning of the civilization. Hunting was indeed a way of obtaining the food for the ancient people, but it was also looked upon as a game and entertainment. The ancient Indian literature and epic mention various games such as the games of dice, dude, wrestling, horse and chariot races and chess. In box, do you know there are the number of the training centers for wrestling and other sports. Vyayam Shala of the famous wrestlers Zuma Dada and Manikrao Vadodara. The Krida Vidyapit Patiala. Swarnim Gujarat Sport Gandhinagar. Khasbagh Talim and Motilal Talim Kolhapur. Hanuman Vyayam Prasarak Mandal Amravati. Sri Shiv Chhatrapati Krida Sankul Balewadi Pune. Do you know sports and Greeks is a very ancient equation. The Greeks were the first to standardize the rules of sport and organize them systematically. They started the sport competitions of discus throws, horse and chariot races, wrestling and boxing, etc. The ancient event of Olympic competition used to be held at Olympia. The ancient Greek city to be able to participate in Olympic and be a winner is supposed to be a great honor for sports person. In box, close. Importance of sport. To play a games is a very important for us. It enables us to overcome suffering and worries. Games help us to relax and refresh our minds. Games which involve lots of physical activities provide the good exercise as well. Games help in building a tenacious and a strong body. Playing games also help us in developing courage, determination and sportsmanship. The games needs to be collective participation, help us to develop a sense of cooperation and team spirit. It also helps in developing leadership. Types of sport. Sports are of two types: indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games. Indoor games are played within a closed environment and a number of them are played by sitting at one place. They include chess, card games, games played with a gamesman and dice, carom, etc. The game known by various names as a Kachak Kavyada or the Chauka Bara or as an Indian Ludo is a very popular among Indians. The game known as Sagargote, played with a bunch of seeds or stones, is usually played by the girls. There is another game known as a Bhatukali, playing house, which is usually played by girls. However, all the members in the family can also participate in it, especially in the mock wedding of a girl doll and boy doll. It is an occasion of family celebration. Outdoor games. The outdoor games can be categorized into two types: Indian sports and international sports. Indian games include the Langdi, Kabaddi, Atya Patya, Kho Kho, etc. Do you know Delhi schedule of Lakshmi Bai, the Queen of Jhansi? In box. Her Highness was very fond of physical exercise. She used to wake up in the early hours, spend and 2 ghatikas exercise on the Mallakhamba, and then she had rounds of a horse ride and a long elephant ride. 2 hours, 4 ghatikas after sunrise. She would eat khurak, a diet mean for enhancing physical strength, and drink milk. Thereafter, she had a bath. Indian games like marbles, logori, vitidandu, or gilli danda, bingri, whirls, bhaure tops, fugdi, jimma are the quite popular. The international games include the badminton, alternatively spelled as a badminton, table tennis, hockey, cricket, football, golf, polo, etc. Leader IS in association with Yashas Institute, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra, myself Professor Suhas Sargar. Among outdoor sports, running races are the popular all over the world. Sprints or the short distance running races are usually arranged for 100 and 200 meters. There are also the middle distance and the long distance races. Marathon is a long distance running race. Other types of the running race are the hurdles and relay race. See the picture of Mallakhamba. Inbox. Do you know, according to the Manisha Bhate, the Mallakhamba and its various tactics were devised by Balam Bhatta Devdhar, the physical trainer of Peshwa Bajirao. She also notes that the Balam Bhatta was inspired watching the monkeys while they lived and played on trees. Shot put, discus throw, long jump, high jump, water sports like swinging, competitors, water polo, rowing, and sport that combine physical exercise and acrobatics like Mallakhamba, rope, Mallakhamba, gymnastic, etc. are all included in the outdoor sports based on physical skill. In box, let us find out. Get to know more about wrestler Khashaba Jadhav, Maruti Mane, and cricketers Bharat Ratna Sachin Tendulkar with the help of the internet. Box closed. Adventurous game, ice skating, skiing, ice hockey, etc. are popular games that require the balancing skill. There are the many other adventurous games which include the rock climbing, gliding, auto racing, cars and motorbikes, etc. Sport competitions. Sport competition of various types is a worldwide phenomenon. Sport competitions like Olympics, Asian Games, also known as a Asiad, Paralympic or the Special Olympics for disabled people, Cricketer World Cup, etc. are organized on a regular basis. Also, international competition for many other sports like hockey, wrestling, chess, etc. are organized on a grand scale. In India, hockey and cricket are very popular. Hockey is our national game. Competition of all these games are organized at a local city, taluka, district, state, national and international level. Sports person who perform well in national and international competition have good career prospect. Do you know the Major Dhyan Chand, an expert player of hockey, was also the captain of Indian hockey team. Indian hockey team won a gold medal in 1936 at Berlin Olympics under his captaincy. He was also the part of the previous Indian hockey team in 1928 and 1932, which played at the Olympic and won the gold medals. 29th of August, the birth date of Dhyan Chand, is celebrated as a national sport day in India. He was known as a wizard of hockey. He was honored with the Padma Bhushan in 1956. Box close. Globalization of sport. The field of sport in the 21st century was naturally influenced by the process of globalization. The international matches of various sports like cricket, football, lawn tennis can be watched on television in any corner of the world. Thus, citizens of the non-participant countries can also enjoy these matches. For example, the World Cup winning match played by the Indian cricketers was watched by cricketer fans all over the world. Sport fans scattered all over the world have significantly affected the entire structure of the sport economy. Fans watch the match for entertainment. Industrial and commercial companies look at as a good opportunity to advertise their wear. Retired sportsmen also have an opportunity to participate as a commentators. Game materials and toys. The means and equipments for the entertainment and education of children are called toys. Clay's toys have been found in archaeological excavation. These toys were fashioned either by hands or by using molds. Dolls are mentioned in the ancient Indian literature. A Sanskrit play by Sudraka is named as a Mrucha Chatika. Mrucha Katika. It means clay cart. In box, do you know? Katha Sarita Sagara. Katha Sarita Sagara has a very interesting description of games and toys. There are the description of flying dolls. It mentioned that on pressing a key, some dolls used to fly, some used to dance, and some used to make the sound. Let us find out. In India, there are the regional tradition of making doll. The wooden doll made in Mahabharata, Maharashtra, were known as Thaki. Let us find out about the other region where the dolls were made or are they still being made. Let us also find the local names of such dolls. Toys and history. The toys can throw the light on history and technological development. We can also get a glimpse of religion, Jesus, and the cultural tradition through them. As a part of the traditional Diwali celebration in Maharashtra, model forts are made. The clay images of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and his soldiers, and also the people and animals, are placed on these model forts. These traditions keep the memory alive of the important roles of the forts in the history of Maharashtra. An ivory doll made by the Indian craftsmen was found in excavation of the Pompeii, an ancient in Italy. It is dated to 1st century CE. These artifacts throw light on the Indo-Roman trade relations. Thus, the toys found in archaeological excavation can tell us about cultural contact between nations in ancient times. Leader IS in association with Yashas Institute, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. Myself, Professor Suhas Sargar. That sports, literature, movies on sport, publishing of the books and encyclopedias of sport is a newly developing enterprise. The history of Mallakhamba has been recently published. There is an encyclopedia on the subject of exercise. Some years ago, there was a sport magazine named Shatkar. There is a ample literature available in English on sport. Some television channels are exclusively devoted to sports. Recently, some movies on sports and biography of the players have been released in various languages. For instance, the film Mary Kom and Dangal. Mary Kom is the first Indian female boxer to participate in the Olympic and to win a bronze medal. Dangal is based on the life of the Fogart sister who were the first Indian female wrestler to win the gold medals at various international competitions. The process of making movie requires a deep study of the particular period of the movie story, language, dressing style, social life, etc. of that period. The students of history are well trained to do the research of this kind. Knowledge of history of sports is also essential for writing articles in various publications like encyclopedia, newspapers, sports, magazine, etc. Sports and professional opportunities. Although sports and history appears to be the distinct as a subject, there is a close tie between them. Student of history can find many opportunities in the field of sport journalism. One needs to resort to the history in order to write the articles. Reviews about the sports events like Olympics or Asiad or national and international matches. Expert commenters are in a demand during the sport matches, and expert commenters need to have a good knowledge of the history, statistics, previous records, eminent players, historical anecdotes, etc. related to the concerned game. Knowledge of history is useful for them. Matches of various sport like cricket, football, kabaddi, chess, etc. are shown live on television on various channels. The role of professionals who track and keep the record of these telecasts from various channels has become a very important now. The sports channel continue telecasting around the clock. There are the many professional opportunities available in this field. Referee are an essential factor of sport matches. Trained referees are required to pass qualifying examination. Qualified referees can work at a distinct state, national and international levels. The government and private sectors are trying to promote sport. There are the sportsmanship, there are the scholarships offered to the sport person. There are the reserve seats for them in government and private establishment. Do you know, in box, Bal J. Pandit was the first Indian cricketer to pioneer the cricket commentary. The people used to listen very eagerly to his broadcast from Akashvani. His well-studied commentaries were full of information about the history of playground, career history of the players, anecdote about the games, and established records of the game. His entertaining because his commentaries used to be entertaining because of these historical details. Thanks for listening. We are from Leader IS in association with Yashas Institute, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. Myself, Professor Suhas Sargar. Thanks for listening.